Hey, we're filming.
I'm gonna have it at, because it's the beginning of the morning, I'm gonna have it at 25% rapids.
Okay.
And I'll turn up the cooling to start.
Okay. What kind of material is that?
304 stainless.
304 stainless, okay.
Yeah.
How many ops are on this part?
It's a one-up part. I have to turn on the cooling.
Okay. When can you turn the coolant off again?
We can turn it off when it comes to when the sub spindle goes to grab the part.
Okay.
Okay.
How long is the program?
I think this part is around 7 or 8 minutes.
Okay.
But we gotta do it like right now. It's doing a drilling cycle, so we have to have coolant.
Okay.
Because it's stainless steel. If it was like aluminum, I'd probably